And guess what, folks? It is Ryobi Days again this year. They're back. So every year Home Depot does Ryobi Days. Okay, so let me show you how the different flavors of the Ryobi buy one get one free tool deals are working. And by the way, Father's Day is coming up in June. This is your chance to buy Dad some tools and maximize your purchase power. Because look at this. You can come in here, and this is the more expensive deal, but I prefer the HP series. These are the high performance series of tools from Ryobi that are better than their smaller, cheaper brushed tools. Most of these tools are brushless. So here's the kit here. If you buy this starter kit, it comes with 2 4-amp-hour batteries and a 2-amp-hour battery and a charger. If you buy this kit for $199, you get to choose from any of these tools right here. So keeping in mind with what I always tell you guys for strategy is to try to get the most expensive tool for free. You know, for example, I would probably choose this one here, the Airstrike. If you don't have an Airstrike and you know maybe for Father's Day Dad needs an Airstrike, these are awesome. I have one of these. I use these on every job now. They're great. I love it. $189. So you would get this for free if you bought that battery charger kit. This guy right here. See that? They're telling you all over the place. It's pretty hard to miss. Buy this for $199, get this for free. The other one that caught my eye, even though it's a lot cheaper, it's only $149, but man, do I love the idea of this one here. This is that HP brushless pruning shear. And there's the tool right there. I love this tool. I would love to get my hands on this tool. Another one you could get, but it's also a lot cheaper, is this one here, the 3-inch cutoff tool. I have this one. I've done a tool review video on this in my channel. You can look it up and you'll see it. A couple of years ago I did it. They did a great thorough job of comparing this one. Yeah, this would be one of them. And this is very much equivalent to the Milwaukee one, only a little bit cheaper in price. And then of course you can get the 6.5-inch circular saw, or you can get the impact wrench here if Dad likes working on cars, or you get the hammer drill. It's funny. Like, we got this talented dude here. He's pushing 2 carts at once down there. So I want to show you the other one, which is going to be probably a real big hit here for everybody. This is that exclusive stick vacuum. Now, we didn't have it here in stock last year, I don't think, when they did it. These were very hard to find. A lot of people had a hard time scoring these, but you can see they've already sold out 2 of the 8 that were allotted to this store. But this would be one of your free tools with that charger deal, see? With the purchase of the $199 battery starter kit. There's the stick vac in operation. I would love to see how well this thing works. And it's a brushless motor on there as well. Now they didn't say whether this one is one of those kits that you could get or not. But either way, it's marked down to $159 from $179. So this is just here a regular drill and the impact driver combo kit. And it does come with 2 of the 1.5 amp hour batteries and a charger in that kit. This is one of my faves. I have this here. This is the 7.5-inch misting fan, the bucket fan. So you fill your Home Depot Homer bucket there with water, and you set this fan on the top of it, and it has misters right there built onto it. I have this at home. I use it. You guys have seen me use it in the past. In fact, I've done a tool review video on this in the past. This comes really in handy for you when you're working outside in the hot sun in your backyard. Sometimes these Florida afternoons are unbearable to even stand outside. So a lot of times I'll be shooting on camera and step off camera into the mister here. And for $99, same price as it was last year. It's not on sale. This is the price. But look, they're selling out like crazy because people love these things. Now, continuing on with the Ryobi Days deals here at Home Depot, if that $199 deal was too much for you, they have a smaller deal here. This is a $99 deal. So this is a 4-amp hour and a 2-amp hour and a charger. And remember, these are not the same batteries as the other ones. This is not the high performance battery series. But this kit is $99. And if you buy this $99 kit, you can choose from any one of these tools right here for free. Now you can see the Whisper fan here is one of those that you could get for free. See, if you buy this for $99, you can get this as your free tool. The DeWalt version of this fan is $99 right now on sale for Memorial Day. But it's normally like $149. The DeWalt version is of course much more powerful. And you can also get the Verse clamp speaker. I like this. So if you're working up in an attic, this will clamp right onto the rafters. This is really nice. These came out last year. And these are $59.97, or you can get it free if you buy that buy one, get one free. This is why I always tell you, look, buying tools throughout the year, you're better off just waiting for whenever there's some type of buy one, get one free. That's when you're maximizing your spending now. Because look, inflation's out of control. We're all getting crushed by the insurance companies raising the rates like you wouldn't believe on our cars and on our homes. And the car dealers have even jacked up their junk fees by 40%. They took advantage of people during COVID, and they've jumped up all of their junk fees. And it's just a scam what American businesses are doing to the consumer. So we need to fight back and only buy when we can get deals like this. Buy one, get one. If you wanted to buy this for dad, man, look at that. You're going to get a score to walk out of here for 99 bucks to get 2 batteries and a charger and this thing. You could also get the vac tool here, the little wet dry hand vacuum as the free tool, or the grinder. This is a great chance to scoop up that grinder. Or how about this one here? A few people have commented in the past that they love this one here. This is that shear shrubber. So you could pay $79.99 for it, or you could get it for free. Yeah, so you could pay $79.97 for this, or you could get it for free if you buy the battery starter kit. And of course, this one is probably going to be one of the most popular ones. The jigsaws and the routers are always really, really popular tools here at Home Depot, no matter who the manufacturer is, when there's a buy one, get one deal going on. So you would normally pay $69 for this jigsaw, but again, when you buy the battery starter kit, you can get that included free, or you can get the recip saw for free, or you can choose the multi-tool for free, and they've even got a sheet sander right there for free. Now they've also got this 15-piece router bit set here for $39.97, but don't expect miracles from it. Now here at Home Depot, Ryobi has also set up these other displays. Some of these aren't quite deals. They're not really saying how much you're saving, and I don't think you are saving anything actually. But anyway, here's the clamp fan. This is the USB version of the clamp fan, which is $39.97. I prefer the other full-sized version clamp fan that runs off of the regular Ryobi battery. See, there's that version of the clamp fan I told you about. But I've done a tool review video on this fan too. You can look through my previous videos from a few years ago. Just search for the Ryobi fan and you'll see it. But this is $24.98. I've gotten these, I believe, as low as like $18. It's going to be more powerful. Now, we don't have these in stock yet here, but these were the USB lithium screwdriver kit, $39.97. That's about as low price as you're going to see for a screwdriver kit that's motorized. Now, again, here you've got the motorized ratchet, the multi-sized one, $119. This really should be around the $90 range. So this is not on sale. Now they've also brought in this 18-volt telescopic power scrubber. So it extends up to 51 inches. And this is $119. Now again, not on sale. And the cultivator is not on sale either. This is the kit. So, and we don't actually have one on this display, I don't think. But this is what the cultivator looks like. And the kit here is $119, comes with a 4 amp hour battery. And then Ryobi has here, this is that 6-tool combo kit. I believe this is the same one they show all the time at Black Friday. Same price, $199. And this is it here. We usually see one like this in the flyer for Black Friday. So this 6-tool combo kit is a great starter kit for somebody getting into the handyman business, or maybe you're a first-year construction worker and you don't really have enough money to buy the higher-end tools yet. Great way to get started. Or just to even buy Dad, for Father's Day, a nice toolkit to have around the house. Not everybody needs the Milwaukee and the DeWalt's and the high prices associated with them. Or if you want to save a little bit of money, you have here for $159, it's a 4-tool combo kit instead of 6. So here's the tools that are in there. You have the drill driver, the impact driver, the circ saw, and the light. And look at this, man. So you got, this is a 7¼ inch compound miter saw. And look at this. Does up to 900 cuts, 4¼ inches. So this is it right here. And I'll put links to all of these down below for you to help you figure these out. But we do have a couple of sale items here on the 16-gauge straight finish nailer. So these are down to $169 from $199. So they're $30 off on these. And then the 18-gauge brad nailer. This one here is not brushless motor. I have this one too. I have both this and the HP version, which is sitting over there. I have both of these. So once I got the HP version, I sold this one. But this one here, look at that, down to $109 from $139. And let me just reiterate, both of these are brushed versions of the tools. These are not brushless tools. So you can see there's quite a bit of Ryobi tools stacked up here as part of Ryobi Days, as well as there are other savings that are going on. They call it the 1+ savings. And so it does look like some of the supplies are limited. Like I bet when they sell out of these miter saws, they're probably not going to order more in. So if you were going to do it, man, I would do it now, because these are disappearing for Father's Day coming up. Don't forget. Now, these are not part of the normal Ryobi Days 2024 sale, but they are on sale, and they were beforehand. And then here's the Ryobi 20-inch self-propelled electric mower, $399. So it's $30 cheaper than it used to be, but at least it's there, and it will most likely be there afterwards. And remember, this one comes with a 6-amp-hour battery and a charger as well. And the same thing here with the 16-inch. This is the 40-volt shaft string trimmer kit. So this kit also comes with a battery. And this one is down to $199 from $279. And then likewise, you can get the whisper blower. Now, what I like about this one, that's 650 CFM. That puts it up in the upper range. This is just about as powerful as that Ego that I showed you at the Lowe's Memorial Day sale. But yeah, 650 CFM on this one, and it also comes with a 4-amp-hour battery and a charger. And this kit is down to $229 from $259. So if you have any questions at all, ask them down in the comments below, and we'll try to answer as many as we can for you. Now, you know, here on this channel, we do more than just engineering disasters. We do the Home Depot and Costco and Lowe's walkthroughs, and we also do the big DIY projects for your house. And after this video, make sure you check out this one over here of the double-decker cabinets that I did up in that kitchen. That's an incredible engineering project with a refrigerator, a large refrigerator at a 45-degree angle in the corner. Very difficult project. Check that one out. And then when you're done with that one, make sure you check out this video here, which shows you everything you need to know on how to install laminate flooring in your house. Well, thanks so much for joining us tonight, and we'll see you on the next one.